Morning. So we're back from our golf tournament. Golf tournament was a success. The little girls played amazing. Way beyond expectation. So they at one point they had tied it with the lead, and this was not an amateur. This was not a junior. For the U.S. women's 4-ball. Okay, the girls got a good practice round in. The place is beautiful. Time to get something to eat. Joey D's Chicago-style pizza. Oh my God, is that good. So we're going to get out of here, head to the room, get some sleep. Tomorrow's the day. Good morning. Ready, set, go. Where are we? What is this? Laurel Oaks? Laurel Oak Country Club. Ready to qualify for the U.S. women's 4-ball. You ready this morning, girl? We're ready to go have some real fun. See you at the starting line. This is what we do for the real fun. Love to watch my baby play golf. So this is not junior golf anymore. This one is this is not even amateur. This is U.S. women's. So it's extremely long yardage. They did a practice round yesterday, and most of the par 4s, there's a few they get an iron on, but most of them, they're going at the par 4s with woods. And she made a few birdies. She looked really good. The greens are great. This place is beautiful. So best of luck to these little gals. And, I don't know how many they're taking in the qualifier. This is the qualifier, though. So don't know how many they're going to take. So we'll see how they do. Catch y'all out on the golf course. See ya. So we're back from our golf tournament. Golf tournament was a success. The little girls played amazing. Just really proud of them. But in the middle of all this, there's a major hurricane headed our way. Made it back to Mulberry, and it was kind of late. We were tired. We were exhausted. Our day started at like 6 o'clock, 6 a.m., 5:30, 6 a.m. We were really exhausted. So we actually camped out in the truck. Trucker family, man. My girls don't complain. We make it happen. So we camped out in the truck. Got up yesterday morning, and Jennifer got in my pickup. I haven't seen my pickup for 4 or 5 months because I've just been trucking, and I left it down there in Mulberry at the truck yard in front of my reefer because we don't want anybody driving off with that. And I've just been in and out of here, so it's nice to have my pickup back. She followed me in the pickup, and we got up here, and we've got the reefer home now. And the first thing we did, I already had probably 12, 15 gallons of fuel. We loaded up the fuel in the back of the pickup. We loaded the generator. I have 2 generators loaded. So we started prepping for this storm immediately. Camper life, man. While we're building this house, we live in the camper, and it's all fun, it's all cool until a hurricane comes. So, but also the beauty of camper life, we can pick up our house and leave. So we're not going to try it. We're not going to attempt to ride this out. We're lifelong Floridians our whole life. We've been through many, many hurricanes. We survive them, but we know better than to try it in a camper. Good morning. So we survived that. The hurricane didn't come anywhere near North Florida. We got a lot of wind, and I've got some tree limbs to clean up around here this morning. And other than that, everything worked out. So we got a cool golf tournament in. Got our reefer and my pickup back home. So I'll go over in a minute. I'll drop the reefer back there, hook to my flatbed, get the truck all cleaned up, and be prepared because it's time to go back to work. I'll get on the load board here in a little bit. There should be some flatbed loads. We'll see if I take off today, this afternoon, or if it's going to be Monday. Either way, it's cool, but it's time to go back to work. So let me get my cleanup done, get my truck ready, get on the load board, and we're out of here. Truck it up.